Ayan. At dahil dyan, ito din yung cake na binili ko para sa'yo, admin.
Oh, thank you so much. Anong flavor niyan?
Do you remember like we like mocha cake in Goldilocks? I was told not to sorry. Cha cha cha.
Sarap.
What else did you have for us?
Chichirya lang. Chichirya, ganun. Corn. This one, popcorn. Kagabi kasi, pumunta ako ng perya. You know what in perya? Carnival?
Yes. In America, it's equivalent to circus fair. You know, those people that goes to the town and then they would build rides and they would build like games and stuff like that. Ganon, guys. Ayan.
Ganun, guys.
This is great birthday vibes. I like this.
You want popcorn?
No, I'd rather. No, I got chips.
I have
All right,
chips.
jokes aside.
No ba? You know these chips?
No, not Filipino.
I love that. I love that. I love that. Actually, guys, there's a story about Nova. This is what I miss. Ito yung mga namimiss ko sa Pilipinas. Oy, inuman na tayo. Ayan. Gising pa na.
Nasa loob ng iskinita. Pag nasa loob lang ng iskinita, pwede na, tara, ano. Maya-maya, sayawan na. Diba?
I drink only occasionally and, you know. Are we taking real shots? Actually,
Yes.
remember those shot? The cum shot?
Naalala ko yun yung parang,
Oo, yung yung ano.
color one.
Don Quixote is one of the places you can find anything party-ish. You should watch that, guys, you know. And it's Gibbs! Oh, ulala! Oh, another one, admin. At dahil man, ikaw ang sumayaw na. Tumayo ka dyan ngayon. Ayan. Se, no?
Parang sila ulo lang.
When it's having fun, guys, you know, sometimes
Sometimes you're crazy.
this is how we have fun. And I just want you to feel how Filipino kind of like chill and party and stuff like that. So what else do you have, admin? What else do you have? Can you share with us?
I have this one. You know this one?
I like that. Baguio.
Bagyo. This is panocha. You know the panocha, you don't have hair in your head. Panocha. This is a
And-
panocha.
Witchy.
Pastillas. Di ba gumagawa ka nito? We sell that in a school.
Yes. Ever since I was basically the things that you actually buy in the Philippines back in the day. These are the things that we actually like weekends. We're gonna sell it in front of our house.
And this song is, 50 cents. When I have some, this is makapuno. This one is makapuno. You know, pastillas.
Yes, pastillas and makapuno.
Yes.
Just
Makapuno. Makapuno, this one.
Oh, the one that's wrapped around something.
Hindi, no wrap. We have, you know, bilog-bilog na some kind of this milk. White. Yun.
Ooh. Oh my god, I like those things, guys.
Kakainin ko kaya to lahat bukas. Makapuno. You know, makapuno. I don't see Lala, but dito, dito nakita ko.
What's that one?
This one. Para siyang Lala din na chocolate na mahaba. Di ba
Oo.
you know, tinda-tinda rin tayo nito noon dati na.
Yes.
No,
Because I remember, guys, as well, those, they have Lala, and I'm pretty sure Filipinas. I love Lala. Like, you don't have to give me anything. Like, you can give me just Lala, and I'm very, very, very happy.
Lala,
You know,
chocolate.
the super cheap chocolate, you know, it's locally made. Yes, I like that. I like street foods. I like little things, you know. I'm not super fancy in a way.
This one, pink one, and to. Gusto ko talaga to. Tamis.
Yeah, somebody says it's peanut brittle. Yes, I was about to say that. Looks like I was about to say that Belgium is expert in that product. With it, diba? But guys, you have to understand some drugs are just really, really bad. If you're gonna do it, do it.
Yes.
And when you're already matured, you have to grow first. Ganon.
Yes, go first. Ano yan? Barbecue?
Mm-mm. Skin. It's like a skin. It's yakitori. Yakitori in Japan. Tell me if I have something on my teeth because I was told don't eat yakitori on stream because it's not a good idea. Cheers! May cheers na naman atin. Admin.
Magsan lang ako.
A few moments later.
Cheers! Cheers, no.
Ooh, a shot.
Another one.
Another one. Ano, last mo na yan?
Hindi, never pa.
I'm having Sprite. Sprite is so.
This is usually very occasional, guys. I don't drink, I don't drink anymore.
Mga ganitong may tama na tayo, parang papunta na dapat tayo ng diskuhan,
Oh, yes. That's what we usually do, guys. When I'm in the Philippines, I love partying. I love dancing.
Party.
But the thing is, I'm such a bitch when it's partying. Like, I want my own space. Like, you can't in this my space.
Space.
Yeah. Ayan. ICP, don't drink anymore or any less, huh? No, actually, some people, they think just because you're a personal trainer, you don't drink, you don't enjoy life. No, unfortunately, we do. It's just more of calculative. It's calculation. It's not all the time. It's very much in times of if you're okay, if your body is not recovering from something, then it depends. It really depends.
Cuatro cantos.
Cuatro cantos. Hindi ko alam yun. Cuatro cantos. So, cuatro cantos is para namang kantot, para nakakaloka naman.
Grabe siya.
Cuatro cantos.
Kanto. Wala
Sabi mo kasi kanto.
Cantos niya, cuatro cantos. S yun na sa dulo, hindi yung P.
After becoming so focused on fitness and started not drinking anymore, even them, I'm pretty sure admin is really pissed when I don't drink anymore, because back in the day I drink constant. Like, I would be in Philippines for a month and it's like every single day. It's like every waking moment. Like, I wake up in the morning in the Philippines and I'll be like, come on, let's start drinking. At nighttime, it's like club. That's kind of like my whole thing. But after being informative, informations and being a personal trainer, I get to understand that as you grow, there are things that you cannot do, and there are things that you should be very, very careful of if you want to live a happy life. And I'm also a happy life. I love my sublime life. It's all sublime for me. And I want to stay here. If they do me good, they didn't do anything wrong with me. Nah, you cannot tell me. You can say more about someone. I won't, because I treat a person individually. As a personal trainer, I get to do that. I got the luxury of doing that. I like this. We have a guest. Remember, I uploaded a Filipina beauty. Remember that? If you are watching right now, if you want to know what Filipina beauty is like for me, and you'll probably, because this person I've known for quite a long time as well. And she was featured on one of my video because she was just beautiful on that day. I just couldn't stop. And I'm super straight. I know myself. Sa totoo lang, te. Nakita ko siya, sabi ko, ay, Diyos ko naman. Ito talaga yung mga kinagigigilan ko mga babae na hindi ako magiging ako eh. Kasi yung, alam mo yung buhok, itim, ganda mata, kahit hindi mag-makeup, maganda, nakakabuisit ba? The meaning for me when you talk about Filipina beauty, please welcome the one and only Bem Bem!
Hi! Hello! Hi! Hindi ko kayo na. Hi, guys!
Ayan. We're all girls now, guys. Now, girls, Tina and Admin, because they're tired of me dancing. Ayan, do you mind dancing? We're gonna have to dance another one.
Hello.
How old are you now?
Basta wala pa akong di pa ako senior.
Ako nga, ay matanda na nga ako. Para matanda pa ako.
Basta hindi pa ako senior, diba? Wala pa akong 40s.
But how about you, Tina, in Davao? How is like birthday like? Like, how do you celebrate in Davao?
It depends on your budget, diba? If
okay.
If you have a lot of money to celebrate, we're going to go on beach or to eat in a restaurant. And then mostly may mga pa-surprise mo, yung kinakantahan ka.
Pag walang budget, matulog na lang. Yes. And you pray.
But you have good health, diba? You have good health.
Diba? Tama yan.
Another one, guys. Ayan, we have to dance.
Breath as blow. Wait lang. Tatayo ako neto eh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Parang ba yun na ako?
Ayan.
Sampay.
Nalalasing na ako.
Papaano na, papahaw ko sa leg. Ganon.